That's what I got right there. As you can see, I got all my stuff right here, my Jitz gear, and some other stuff. But as you can see, I like purple. Purple is my color. Okay, so this is alright, a mat, like a kind of like a sort of plasticky mat that I could put in the back on the hatch. Yeah. For the GTI. This thing right here, right? We're gonna go see if it fits. Okay, let's see if this mat right here is going to fit inside the GTI. Okay, not exactly a perfect fit, right? So yeah, it's okay, but you know, at least it covers the this part right here, because it's even worse. That's just gonna have to do. Boom. Okay, so again, this is not a stock trunk, like a what do you call it, a trunk mat. So the material is different, you know. It's like, it's really like, it's sort of like a plastic rubber material. I don't know what they call it, but as you can see right here, boom, this is what's underneath. But it's just, I think this type of floor mat is good, especially if you want to put something over the stock, like right here, like this carpet, right? It'd be different if I got the those fancy rubber ones that I had, like in my MK6, the rubber mats. Those are better, but those are more expensive. So this one is about 70 bucks for this. Still not cheap, but at least you have more protection. And it fits kind of all right, you could see. The fitment there. Okay, so this is what the trunk looks like when it's full. As you can see, I got all my stuff right here, my Jitz gear, and some other stuff. But as you can see, I like purple. Purple is my color, obviously. Even with the DC coils, sporting it with the perp. And my gear, the thing is, even though this isn't like the GTI rubber, it's still good enough. It's kind of like a plasticky rubber, so it protects it when it's wet for stuff. And you know, after working out, this thing is going to be all sweaty and stuff, so my gear will be sweaty, and it's good to have this here rather than just, you know, the carpet, right? So it's good protection for your sweat, your dirt, your grime, or whatever else. So this works right here for the trunk. So the fitment is okay. It's not super perfect because the way it came folded, right? So I had to unfold it and then try to put weight on both sides right here, you know. So but it's better because that way, even if you get like sweat, like on my gi or groceries or anything wet, this will protect it, you know. This thing will protect it, because if you just have it on the carpet like this, I don't think that's going to be enough. So I think for what you get for this type of trunk mat, it's okay, it's decent, you know what I mean? So would I recommend it? Yeah, if you could spare 70 bucks, why not? If you have more money, just get the rubber floor mats, the ones that are really made for this car. You know, that's what I had with my MK6. The material is similar to this one. Watch. This type of rubber mat. There. See this? Because that type of mat is thicker and is really made to fit perfect for the MKs, right? Where MK6, MK7. But this type of mat is kind of just like sort of generic. You buy it at Amazon. It's better than the plastic ones that you get at eBay, but it's still not the best. So it's kind of somewhere in between. But I mean, it fits okay for what it is, and the material seems to be waterproof. So that's really all I need, right? So yeah, so having said that, if you guys like to get a semi-decent mat, then this should be enough for you. Hopefully that helps. Till next time, stay safe and keep on rolling.